Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem water heater is flashing 8 times followed by 1, it's actually giving you a specific diagnostic code rather than just blinking randomly. These flash patterns are built into the system to indicate what's going wrong internally, and in this case, it usually points to a problem related to gas control, ignition sequence, or system safety checks. When this happens, the heater may stop producing hot water or operate inconsistently, which can be frustrating if you don't know what the code means. Instead of guessing, you can resolve it by carefully checking a few important components. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Rheem water heater 8 flashes, then 1 error, step by step. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the water heater and disconnect it from power. Step 2. Check the gas supply and ensure the valve is fully open. Step 3. Wait briefly to allow the system to reset. Step 4. Inspect and clean the burner and ignition components. Step 5. Ensure proper ventilation and airflow around the unit. Step 6. Restore power and confirm the flashing code is cleared.